Hey everyone, my name is Jason Schmaltz and I'm an AMGA single pitch instructor. I work for Atlanta Rock Climbing Company and take people climbing all over the Southeast. So if you're in the area or live near Atlanta and want to get outside, definitely check out our website for some adventures and courses for climbing outside. Today we're going to make a video for those that want to get outside for the first time. I'm at one of the best places to come for your first time climbing. It's where I climbed my first time outside, which is called Foster Falls State Park, which is part of the South Cumberland State Park system in Tennessee. This area is located right outside Chattanooga and is a beautiful area, both for hiking and climbing, and offers a lot of great routes, over 200 routes that are sport climbs, so bolted, and have really good anchor stations to learn how to set up and clean anchors as well. First thing you'll be greeted by when you walk into the state park, or when you walk into this area, is the waterfall. This is a very high volume waterfall that just helps you get set up for a good day of climbing. And the other good thing about this waterfall is at the end of a climb, on a hot day, you can even get inside the pool and go swimming, which is really nice. But anyway, the sun's just starting to come up, so let's go ahead and head to some of the best routes for you to check out on your first day out climbing. These are going to be moderate routes that offer good protection, and it's just a great way to learn outdoor climbing for the first time. The first route is Bear Mountain Picnic. This is a really great 5/8 route and a good introductory to the climbing at Foster Falls. There's really great exposure on this route because you have to actually hike up about 40 feet above the canyon floor just to even start the route. So with a little bit more work, you can get over 100 feet of exposure on the route. The route offers a really great airette feature that you can climb up, as you can see Lee doing here in the picture. Alternatively, you can climb up the face of the route as you see Melanie doing. The beginning of the route also offers a couple options. One is to climb out on the ledge, and the other is to do a small boulder problem that's probably V2 in order to gain the face. At the end of the route, there's a little bit of a crux move to get to the top, up a second airette feature, but there's plenty of great holds. It's all about just finding them. And you can see Lee here finishing up the route in style. The next route's called Gravity Boots. This is a great route for someone who wants to get their first ever outdoor lead climb outside. The stances are great for clipping, and there's a lot of positive holds that will make a new lead climber feel very secure even when they have to climb above the protection. You can see Lee here in the middle of the route doing a combination of side pulls and face holds as he climbs up the main part of the route. As you start to approach the top of the route, you'll want to stay a little bit left of the anchors in order to stay on the positive holds. And then once you get up parallel with the anchors, it's a very straightforward right traverse to the anchors, where you have good holds above the anchors as well that you can clip into and set up your anchor system. The last route is called Saturated, which is a classic 5/8 climb at Foster Falls. This route is almost 100 feet and offers really great face climbing initially, around 5.5 grade, and then an overhanging crux in about the middle of the route, and then sustained 5.7 or 5.8 climbing at the top. You can see Melanie here climbing the top part of the route, which is the sustained 5.7 or 5.8. And here is Lee trying to make sense of the crux move. He has his left hand in the right place, which is a left hand side pull as he transitions, looking for his feet. And he's going to have a little trouble at this point, but all he had to do was bring his left hand up to the next horizontal crack in order to gain the face. And here's Melanie finishing out the top part of the face climbing. Foster Falls offers some great routes. You can see here some other great routes in the area that offer cool exposure, great features, and just a lot of fun sport climbing. Once you're finished climbing, you can head out on the Climbers Loop Access Trail instead of going back on the trail you came in. And this offers a quick way to get back to the car, one last shot of the waterfall, and gives you a great shot out of the park before it gets dark. Hope we see you out there, and catch you on the next one.